G'day guys, what is going on? Welcome to a new episode. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today the S14 finally gets side skirts. Going to make the car look more fresh now, and these are the side skirts that I got. The reason why I got these side skirts are they look very clean, very affordable. I got them from JSAI. They made them pretty quick. It only took about 2 weeks to make and they shipped them out to me. I'm really happy with these side skirts. Going to give the S14 a much better, cleaner look. Now, the reason why I didn't get bigger side skirts is because I'm worried about, like, you know, if you fall off track or dirt dropped while drifting, you might break your side skirts, and side skirts aren't cheap, so I definitely don't want to be breaking side skirts. These side skirts are going to sit nice and flush up against the S14. Should give it a slightly better aggressive look as well. And now with these side skirts, this S14 has never had side skirts in its life. I'm going to have to drill some holes into the body to self-tap these side skirts into the car. So I'm going to show you guys how to install side skirts, how to self-tap. I've got a new drill. I finally bought a drill. I definitely needed a drill. So let's go install these side skirts on my S14. I should mention as well, I got a drift button from GK Tech. So once we do the side skirts, I'll show you guys how to install a drift button on your handbrake. You're going to slap on the side skirt like this. Just slap it on. It connects straight up to it without mounting it just yet. And what you do is you're going to come here. I'll show you guys what I've done. I've marked where the holes need to be drilled. So where you can see on the panel, there's 2 holes there. So I already pre-marked it with a texter. So that's what you're going to have to do. You're going to slap on the side skirt, mark where you need to drill, make sure you got the right spot, and then we can self-tap into those 2 holes. But I'll show you guys how to drill into the side skirt. The body of my car is dinted in there, so I'm just going to drill a few holes underneath this side skirt so when it rains it doesn't collect water in the side skirt, so it'll just come straight out the holes from underneath. Also do the same for the front bit. So I'll show you guys how to drill into the side skirt. The side skirt, grab the side skirt, where you got it marked, just drill straight through it. Somewhere about there. Straight through. It's going to be trial and error, so make sure you do it correctly the first time, or else you're going to have too many holes in your side skirt. Done. Done. Doing it on the top is so I don't scratch up the side skirt too much. Somewhere about there. It's not perfect, don't worry. You can always just drill another hole. And once you're done drilling, trial and error, so let's see if this worked out okay. So we'll put one side there. Oh, it's gonna scratch up against the matte black, doesn't matter, it's a drift car anyway. And then once we've got everything lined up, we'll chuck some Sikaflex along in here. Duct tape it so that way it keeps it nice and shut against the panel. Same thing with this side of the back. So what we're going to do, we're going to self-tap to the side skirt now. But first we'll put Sikaflex inside the side skirt so it sits nice and flush against the panel like that. And why I'm self-tapping into my S14, as I said, look along here, this S14 has never had side skirts in its life, and you can tell because there's no holes in the body right there. So make sure to do a line across the side skirt with the Sikaflex, just like that. Do one in the middle as well, and then at the front of the side skirt as well. So let's go self-tap this into my car and see how they look. Pop them onto your car, and make sure to use tape to hold the Sikaflex to the car, let it dry for 24 hours, and then take the tape off tomorrow. Make sure to do the middle bit as well. The rear bit was hard to do because of the dent in the rear quarter panel, so I did the best that I can to use the Sikaflex on the side skirt. As you can see, bit of a dent there. Oh well, it doesn't matter. It's a drift car. So when you're self-tapping into metal, make sure to use the hex head self-tappers because they're a lot stronger than the screw types. They'll just drill straight in. Insert it like this. Make sure it's all lined up. Start off slow. And then make it a bit faster, and then should drill in like that. Perfect. Sick. Happy with that. Now we'll do the next one at the bottom. So as you can see, I've made a couple mistakes. It's trial and error trying to find the right spots. Doesn't matter, it's a drift car. And once again, easy as that. This point, make its way through the metal and then go faster, 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 and then punch it through. like this. Ooh, luckily I got the stock tires on so I can drill it from here. All right. So like I said on the other side of the car, make sure to duct tape the side skirt so the Sikaflex sticks to the car. So let's go self-tap into the side skirts now. Chuck the self-tapper in. Just go slow. Whoop. Kicked it out a bit. Whoops, all good. Time to do the other side. Damn, that was tough. All right, that is all screwed in now. Hell yeah. Now this side is done. And also I should mention as well, make sure to chuck some Sikaflex in the middle of your side skirt as well. Let it dry for 24 hours so that way this side skirt doesn't wobble loose, so this will stay there with the Sikaflex. And I should mention why I use the hex heads for. The hex heads I find a lot better for self-tapping, whereas the screwdriver one you can just thread the star pattern. It's not good for self-tapping into metal. The hex heads are a lot stronger to self-tap into metal, so that's why I've done that. Guys, I can't tell you enough how happy I am by putting these side skirts in. I can already tell the difference with the car. Can't wait to take the tape off tomorrow and show you guys how sick the S14 looks at the moment. And now that we've got the side skirts on, the car looks so much better. But once we chuck on new wheels at the back, it's going to look so good with the side skirts. And in a new video, we're going to chuck on a spoiler on this car as well. So I can't wait to show you guys the new spoiler that I've got for the S14. Hell yeah, guys. Car's looking so much better. Just can't wait to take the duct tape off. So good. To tell you the truth, guys, I'm so happy with the side skirts. I can't wait for them to dry up, take off the duct tape and show you guys how sick they look on my car. I'll chuck on these raised wheels that I've got sitting in my garage on the S14 so it looks a little bit nicer for the video, so I'll do that tomorrow. But I'm just so wrapped with these side skirts. So let's go install this drift button right now and I'll show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do is you're going to grab this handbrake lever, grab it harder than you grab your cock and just fucking twist the damn fucking thing. Oh, god damn it, man. This is actually a workout, man. I've been sitting here for about 5 minutes trying to get this bloody thing off, man. Whew. It's never taken me this long to get anybody off. God damn it, man. Come on. I'm starting to feel like Rambo with the amount of workout I'm doing to get this stupid thing off, man. I have a feeling that someone's just chucked a bunch of glue on it right here, because you can see there, it does not want to twist, because usually this just slides off. But someone's obviously just chucked a bunch of glue there, so you can't get it off by hand, man. It's just glued down. To the ones that don't believe me that this is super glued on, look at my skin right there. Just from twisting this sucker out, I've managed to rip my skin off my thumb. God damn it. Well, that was not ideal. You can see like the glue residue around here, it's all sticky and shit. So what you want to do is we're going to grab a flathead, I'm going to bend these two tabs out and they'll drop the spring, and then this sucker will drop down and then we can have some e-brake action. Alright, grab your flathead. You got one part there, one part there. There's two metal tabs in there bending in. So off on that side. So let's do this one. Get this stupid flathead in there. Man, stupid spring drop. The spring is actually being held on just by that one little bit. So we'll just pop that sucker in. Come on, man. Drop in there. I'm gonna have to use both hands. So that sucked. The stupid spring got caught around here onto these grooves here, so I had to like try to pop it out. You can rip out the spring, but if you just remove these two tabs, the spring drops. So watch this now. You click this button and watch now. Full drift action now. Then you just grab the button forward, lift it up like that, Look at that, locks it. So we're gonna put the drift button on it right now. I got the gold one from GK Tech, just hammer it on. And then full on handbrake action. Look at that. So yeah, just flick it forward and locked. Damn, this gold looks so nice. So what you wanna do is grab your drift button like that, chuck it on there, bang it in. Whoops. There we go. Pretty sure it's done. Yep, perfect. Hell yeah, man. So we'll just grab some duct tape, electrical tape, and we'll just wrap around this handbrake and check that out. So good. So flick it forward and lock that sucker up. So right there, that's how you install a GK Tech drift button. Just sucks that that thing was glued on. Usually they're not, you can just slide them straight out. So if they're glued on, you're gonna have a bad time like me. Skin ripped off my thumb, had to cut them up into pieces right there. But oh well, we'll chuck some electrical tape around this and it'll look sick. So to the ones that are wondering, I wrapped up my handbrake with this tennis grip tape. So this is the shit that I'm using. Actually feels quite nice, to be honest. Like with that, that's mad. Better than using electrical tape. This is so much nicer and it's softer as well. Alright guys, I'm so happy with the side skirts. They look so sick. The Sikaflex is all dried up, ripped off that tape. Let's go do the walk around. I'll show you guys a new side skirt. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the walk around of the S14's new side skirts. It does make the S14 look so more aggressive. I'm really happy with it. Also, I'm going to do an S14 spoiler install as well, so I'll show you guys that hopefully soon. And I should mention as well with the handbrake, thanks to my mate Scott, he gave me a good idea. Instead of using electrical tape around the handbrake, just go get tennis racket grip. So you know the tennis grip handles they put on their tennis rackets? So I just got to go Rebel Sports, pick up some of that grip tape and just wrap it around the handbrake, and that should look sick as, and it should feel a lot better than electrical tape as well. And with the R33, I've got my GK Tech Hikus Eliminate kit here right now. So there's going to be a new video of how to install that into the R33, so I can't wait to see how it feels on my R33 going out sideways, because the ball joints and that are just completely rooted. And with the GK Tech Eliminate kit, it's going to make the car handle so much better. Don't have to use any of those ball joints, just bolts up to the car and it'll keep the rear end solid. And also I've got slip-in collars for the subframe, so I'll show you guys how to drop your subframe and slip in these subframe collars as well. So that's going to definitely make the rear end of the car feel so much better. Hope you guys enjoy the new side skirts in the S14. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, make sure to share this video to your mates. If you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.